Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to upload YouTube short directly from your PC without hassling at all. Let's go straight. So first of all, you click on the plus sign and add video, just as you do for your long short videos. Then this will take you a page. You select files. After this, it takes you to your files where you can select where your video is. I have my video in download, so I go there and select it. Click open. After that, allow the video to load. Now this is the first section, which is the details section. In this section you type the title and others. So let's give our video a title. So my video is about how to get weekday from date in Excel. So I write that. After that, add a few hashtags. I have hashtag shorts in there, hashtag Excel tips. Now the description, you use this description section to add tags, so add a lot of tags. Now you can see our video has finished loading. See the link, you can see short written in there. Some people think you have to do something to your video to get it in as short. No, that is not true. As soon as, or so far as the video is less than 60 seconds, YouTube automatically identify it as short. Now let's select a thumbnail. If you have a thumbnail, you use any of the default ones. Now let's go to the playlist section. If you do not have a playlist, you create one and write shorts and then create. But I already have one for my shorts, so I won't create a new one. I'll just select my shorts. Next is the tag section. This is where you optimize your video, so make sure you enter keywords related to the video. If you have done keyword research for your video, yes, you can use that, the suggestions, and type that in. I will type the keywords that are associated with my video. So I have Microsoft Excel tutorial, and etc. You can add as many as you want. If your video has a voice, then you can select the languages. If not, you leave it. Then select the category of your video. There are a lot, whether it's gaming video, music video, sport, etc. Now we check the next section is the video elements. Click next and go to the check. This is where they check for copyright. If you use any copyrighted item, YouTube will detect it and tell you. We don't have any checks here. Let's go next. So this is the final stage where you can publish your video. If you choose private, you all know others might not be able to see the video, so you select public and publish. If you will not publish now, you click on schedule and you can set a new date where the video automatically comes public. But we are okay with everything and we want to publish now, so you click on publish. And that is it. Our video is live on YouTube. This is how to simply upload YouTube shorts without hassle. Please hit the like button and subscribe. to support my channel. Thank you.